two designs I'll be showing you guys how to make today. One is made out of holographic paper and the other one is a heart that is made out of felt. For this project, you'll need a pen, index paper, paintbrush, a clothespin, holographic paper, Mod Podge, and scissors. Trace the outline of the clothespin on another piece of paper. Cut out the template using scissors. If you have any extra, just feel free to snip it off. Line up your template on the holographic paper. Cut out your desired amount of holographic paper. Line up the holographic paper on the clothespin to make sure it matches up. Cut off any excess. Cut out any design you want. I will be making triangles. Your triangle can be any shape or size you want. Just make sure it fits on the clothespin. For my triangles, I'm changing directions of my scissors each time I cut, so no triangle is the same. To glue the holographic paper on the clothespin, I'm using Mod Podge. I dipped the holographic triangles into the Mod Podge first, then glued it on. Try using a paintbrush to even the coat of Mod Podge. This step requires a lot of patience as the triangles can easily move around. Continue to decorate your clothespin. They can be placed anywhere you like. Once you're done, prop it up like this so it could dry. Once it's dry, you can cut off any excess holographic paper that sticks out. And the holographic clothespin is finished. The clothespin with the heart on it, you'll need a clothespin, felt, thread and needles, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Start by folding the felt in half and cut out your desired shape. In this case, I'll be making a heart. We need to make another identical piece, so put the heart over another piece of fabric and cut out the same shape. There are two ways to put it together. One, you could sew it, and two, you can hot glue it. I'll be teaching you guys how to sew it. Thread the needle behind the first layer of felt. Tuck the knot on the inside of the heart. I'll be sewing mine together by sewing it on the edge of the felt. Poke the needle through one side and pull out through the other, and continue the process all the way around. Remember, that felt is stretchy, so if one side doesn't completely line up with the other, you can just pull on it. To finish it off, poke the needle under one of the stitches. Pull the needle out and pull the needle through the thread. Cut the excess thread. Use hot glue to glue the heart onto the clothespin. The heart clothespin is finished. Wait, there's more. Be sure to subscribe and fill out the form below to suggest your videos because we want to hear from you.